Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today what we're going to do is we're going to unbox uh, all-in-one gadget which is useful for everyday use. So let's go ahead and start unboxing that and also check the uses of it. So let's start. So now this is the product which we are going to unbox. It's Ambrane 20-in-1 multi-purpose cleaning kit. As you can see, this is the product. This, if I'm not wrong, I got it for just about $3.49 or something. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is what I like in Ambrane products. It's a simple sellotape over here by which you can know it's sealed packed, and then you can just open it up. It is tightly packed, which is good, and inside comes this. So let's keep the box aside. There's a cover over here, and there's a beautiful box over here. It's a brush, and as you can see, this is the Ambrane all-in-one. So the brush will come out if you do like this. It's for just cleaning your keyboard and everything. So let's go ahead and open this up and check this. So once I press this button over here, see, it's closed now. Once I press this button, it opens. So inside there's a cleaning spray given over here. You have another small brush, and you have a hand nozzle for adding the dust also out. It's very small. You also have normal cleaning small brushes. Each are numbered like 17, 16, 22, depending on what you want to clean. You have a small brush like this. You do have a cleaning microfiber cloth. You have the another device over here to clean out the dust in earbuds. I will be testing it out also. You do have anything which is stuck inside, or you want to extend this, you can go ahead and connect to this. And as you see, there's another brush over here. You do have that, so you don't have to always think about the size. You also have, let me try to, my fingers are bigger than this. Yeah, there is another one to go ahead and clean stuff. I think so. In this you can attach this and also do the cleaning. Here there's a brush, another brush, all are very tiny for just your electronic ones. So let's try something. So this is for earbuds. So let me see if I have a earbud lying around. Yep, I do have a Jabra earbud over here. So let's go ahead and open this up and try to use this. First, for cleaning purpose, you can use this to take out the dirt. Actually, the best way is to remove this, and inside, if there is any dirt, you can always use this to remove it. The same thing we'll do for the other one. As you see, this is a dirty one, so we can use this to remove the dirt, even which is stuck inside. When you start cleaning it, you'll be able to see some white stuff coming out. That's wax actually. So we'll just be cleaning it. So work of this is over now. So we would go ahead and pull this brush out, just very tiny, to do the side cleaning of this. So as you see, this can be cleaned very nicely by this brush. All the dust would disappear, and it also enters inside the hole and cleans it smoothly. We'll do the same for the other one. It's an all-in-one 20 attachment, so it's useful for various other things also. So now we will also clean this. Because this is where the wax gets stuck, so you can clean this also thoroughly. These are so tiny. So these are clean now. But now we do have another thing to clean. So we will be using this one to clean the inside of the box. As you see, there is a lot of dust over here. We do have to clean even this portions, which are not possible with a cloth actually. But this one is a totally different league of its own, where it can clean anything. So if you see, it's cleaning the inside part also nicely, taking out all the dust. Everything is being removed. So now we are going to do one more thing. So all these parts are clean. Now we will use this brush to dust it outside also nicely. This can be used with keyboards and everything. So this is the 20-in-1 where you have various things for various. You can also use the spray to spray out and clean something. And there's the adding pump. And this one you get for about $349 or even $300 when discount is going on. So you can try this Ambrane, and it's available not only in Amazon but also in Zepto and other platforms, where you can go ahead and get this for yourself. So let me just keep this back in, and so I hope you did like this video, and if you did like it, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe for the channel. It helps a lot for me to go ahead and make the content over here. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you do have a wonderful day ahead.